So I will start with enquiry primer. This is the very first step. In case you don't have a primer, you can use a moisturizer. Next I'm using this Swiss Beauty illuminating highlighter cream. Today I will blend it up with my foundation to create a very dewy yet glowy look. You can use a brush or your hand. Today I'm using a wet sponge. Always make sure that you blend so well your product. Blending is the key. So I'm blending it up completely. As you know that as much as you blend, you will get the dewy and glowy look. Next I'm doing my eyebrows with this Swiss Beauty chestnut brown eyebrow pencil. This is very much affordable product. After doing my eyebrow, I will bake my face with this compact from Faces from Canada. This is very sheer coverage compact. Next, I will start my eye makeup with this Jaclyn Hill palette. Today I am creating a very glittery eye look, so I have choose the lightest shade from the palette and then a lightest brown shade. Next I am using this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. This is glittery liquid rose gold shade. Next I am using this eyeliner from Maybelline. Today I will apply the eyeliner in my lower lash line also to create my look little bold, to highlight my eyes. Next I will use colossal kajal. Next I will use mascara. This is Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. Next I will use this Savannah Colors blush and contour palette. Just little bit of blush on and highlighter, that's done. Next I'm using this Maybelline ink crayon lipstick. Lastly I'm completing this look with applying this color bar sindoor, and this jewelry will complete my look finally. So yeah, this is how my simple glittery makeup look for Diwali is done. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe it before leaving my channel. Happy Diwali to you all in advance. Hope you all will have a very safe and happy Diwali. So I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and tata.